Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're over 50 and struggling with hair loss, thinning edges, or just missing that thick, healthy hair you used to have, I hear you. The truth is, our hair changes with age, hormones shift, nutrients get absorbed differently, and the stress of life doesn't help either. But what does help? Nourishing your hair from the inside out. Today, I'm sharing 4 simple, affordable drinks that you can start adding to your daily routine to help support hair growth, naturally. Let's get into it. Number 1, rosemary tea. Yep, that same rosemary you use for roasted potatoes can actually help regrow your hair. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and known to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which is key for reactivating dormant hair follicles, especially as we age. To make it, just boil a few sprigs of fresh rosemary or a teaspoon of dried in about 2 cups of water. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes, then sip and enjoy. Drink 1 cup a day and you'll be giving your scalp a big boost from the inside. Bonus tip: let the heat cool and use it as a rinse after washing your hair. It's like a spa day for your scalp. Drink number 2, cucumber and mint water. It sounds fancy, but it's super simple and incredibly hydrating. Cucumber is rich in silica, a mineral that helps strengthen your hair and nails. And after 50, we need all the help we can get with that. Mint adds a refreshing taste, and it also helps calm your gut, which matters because your gut health directly affects your hair health. To make it, slice half a cucumber, toss in a handful of fresh mint, and let it sit in a pitcher of water in the fridge for about an hour. Drink it throughout the day and keep your hair and your whole body hydrated and happy. Drink number 3, carrot and orange juice. Now this one is not only good for your hair, it's delicious. Carrots give you a boost of vitamin A, which helps your scalp produce healthy oils. Oranges deliver vitamin C, which supports collagen production and helps your body absorb iron, both essential for strong growing hair. You can juice them fresh or blend them with water and strain. Add a small piece of fresh ginger if you want an extra anti-inflammatory kick. Drink this a few times a week and your hair follicles will thank you. And finally, drink number 4, a collagen-boosting almond milk smoothie. Collagen is the protein that keeps our hair, skin, and nails strong, but after 50, our natural collagen production slows way down. So here's a simple smoothie that helps bring it back. Blend 1 cup of almond milk with half a banana, a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and, if you have it, a scoop of unflavored collagen powder. No collagen? No problem. Just add pumpkin seeds for a nice dose of zinc, another powerful hair growth mineral. This is the kind of smoothie that not only supports your hair, it supports your bones, skin, and joints too. All right, let's do a quick recap. Rosemary tea for better scalp circulation. Cucumber and mint water for hydration and silica. Carrot and orange juice for vitamins A and C. Collagen smoothie for protein and hair structure. You don't need expensive products to care for your hair after 50. Just a few simple, nourishing choices every day can make a real difference over time. And remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite go-to drink for healthy hair? Thanks for listening, and take good care of yourself.